Hi, so first we're going to go ahead and glue down your eyebrows. I'm using Elmer's, and I'm also going to use Got To Be glue as well, the gel. You will see that soon. I don't know why the glue started flaking up on me once I was using the spoolie. Not sure what happened there. But yeah, just go ahead and get your eyebrows flat as you can. Okay, so after fanning my brows and they were dry after that, I went ahead and added my primer. That's Elf Matte Putty Primer. I'm not sure if it really helped to keep my face matte, but I wanted to use something on my face before applying the paint. So yes, I'm just going to apply that, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender to apply the Clown White by Snazaroo. I think it's Snazaroo. So yeah, I just used my sponge. I tried using a brush the day before, but I think I like the sponge best. And I'm just going to cover my brows first. For some reason, my brows, at least the right brow, your left, my right, that brow just was showing, like I could see my black hairs. I'm not sure why, but yeah. So I'm just gonna apply that, and I did put something over my edges because I did this the day before and I did get a lot of paint in my hair, so just wanted to protect my edges. So yeah, we're just gonna apply that, and I did put a little on my neck. And also, you're seeing footage from 2 different days, so if anything seems off, it may be a little off, but I didn't want to film the video again because I lost some of my footage. So yeah, just apply that. Use any face paint or white foundation that you have. Okay, so after applying your foundation or paint, you're going to set it, and I used the Mehron setting powder, white setting powder. This is the reason why I had to try this again, because the day before I forgot to set my paint and everything was just not going as planned. But yeah, I'm just going to set everything, and yeah, it was messy. It was very messy. Oh, and I also want to take this time to say, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, please, and hit the notification bell. Even if you don't want to be notified, you don't have to hit the bell, but please subscribe, please. But yeah, so we're just going to set that, and I'm going to use Inglot Gel Liner. I love this liner. It works so well. And I decided to line my eyes first before going over my entire eye. It was easier for me because, again, I did do this yesterday, and I was like, I should have done this first because I was getting very messy with my hands. So yeah, you're just gonna apply that to both eyes, both top and bottom. So here I'm going to use the ink blot and go over my entire eye. And here I realized I forgot to prime my eyelid, and I was just like, you know what, just forget it. So yes, we're just gonna add that all around. You see how a little goes a long way. Like, I only dipped it once. I really love this liner. I really love it. So yeah, we're just gonna add that, and then we're just gonna blend, and then after I add it to the next eye, I will set it as well. Okay, so after that, I'm going to set everything with Spooky and the James Charles times Morphe palette, which is just the black. And you don't have to be neat, you know. Valak, she's interesting, so you can just, you know, be a little messy. Okay, here I'm taking Inglot again and using it as lipstick. So we're just gonna smudge it on. I think I was also using some of the Spooky in the James Charles palette as well. I'm trying to make it messy, a little messy. So yeah, just blend, and then just be a little messy with it. You don't have to be neat. And then I'm going to start contouring. And here again, I was going back and forth with the Inglot and Spooky eyeshadow. So yeah, I think I'm just going to let you all watch this part. It's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah. Okay, I just wanted to say that I really did have a hard time blending like with the contour. I think it was the clown white that just wasn't cooperating. I think it was too thick and it wasn't matte, but it was like, I don't want to say it was drying either. If you used clown white before, you know what I'm talking about. I just feel like I should have used something else, but I know that in the future. But it got the job done. So now I'm going to contour my chin. You know, try to make my chin a little sharp. You know, so you have like a pretty sharp chin. And I'm just going back in with the sponge, just left over. Same thing with the powder. I'm going to try to contour the nose. I tried to make the nose more slanted because Valak's nose isn't straight at all. So yeah. Okay, so here I'm just adding some of those little lines and wrinkles. I don't know, she just have veins and everything. Yeah, that's what those are. So I'm just trying to add some of those, and I'm trying to see where my natural wrinkles fall. So yeah, we're just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go over it with a blending brush just to like make it less harsh, you know, not so defined. And I also here I'm trying to make my nose appear a little more sharp or pointed, but that was very hard to do. It really wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. So yeah, and also put a line there because Valak, she has something like that as well, like a little butt nose. And then again, we're just gonna blend those out a little bit. Okay, so here I had to come really quickly because I lost the footage from when I did my teeth. So I just want to show you all what I used. So I used Mehron's tooth effect in the color black. So yeah, that's what I used. And I just had to show you all something really quickly. Oh, also make sure your teeth are dry when you do this. Your teeth have to be dry. Okay, I just wanted to say the contacts I used were by Moco Queen. I forgot the color, but everything will be listed in the description box. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, hit the red button, and thank you so much for watching. And make sure you watch all the way to the end.